Hi everyone, I am Dr. Sonia Fung. I'm primary care naturopathic doctor and owner of Live Well Clinic in Vancouver, California. So starting this week, Live Well Clinic will be celebrating Naturopathic Medicine Week like we do every year, but with a twist. Even though we will miss sharing great food and music and fun with all of our friends and our patients, um, that we normally do during our annual open house. We're still going to have some amazing health info for you and some even more amazing prizes uh, and giveaways every single day. So here is the twist. Because of our unique situation this year, we have put together a virtual um, lineup for you of daily health videos, as well as daily uh, prize giveaways for 5 lucky Instagram winners. So if you haven't already, first follow us on Instagram at Live Well Clinic. Then make sure to watch every single day for our daily video. And if you answer our special question in the comments, we will randomly select a winner for the prize corresponding to that day's video. So the winners will be announced on our IGTV live that we're going to be doing at 5 o'clock every day to announce our winner. So in addition to all of these awesome things, we are having our annual blood drive, but it's not going to be on site this year. We're actually doing it through live stream, and they will have a special code for you to be able to be eligible for a free B12 injection if you go and give blood. And that's happening all week. We're also having our half price B12 injections all week, Monday through Friday. But remember, it's going to be by appointment only, so no walk-ins this year. Sorry. And we're also going to have supplements on discount every single day. But we're going to announce which supplements in our story. So you'll have a lot of cool things to follow up with in our IGTV, in our stories, and of course, it's also going to be on our Facebook. So thanks for watching and stay tuned for all the fun happening this week.